Hey guys, Steve from Resell Dojo back, and today is an update on my $100 Reseller Snowball Challenge. I think this is week 3 that I've had for it, and I want to share with you guys how it's going so far. So first I want to share with you guys how many active listings I have up. Now these are from purchases from week 1 and week 2 of the challenge, and anything that hasn't sold yet. So right now I have 21 listings up there for almost $600 in total value. Now all of this is going to be with free shipping. I think maybe one of them may not have free shipping on it. So just keep that in mind. But remember, I started with $100 in this, and I already have almost $600 worth of inventory plus sales I've had. So for the last week, I had, I think, 9 sales altogether. And I'm going to walk you guys through these real quick. The 1984 DVD sold for $22.95. Pokemon Black and White went for $11.95. The Star Wars Open Return of the Jedi. Remember, this is a limited edition one. This went for $18.95. Outlander Sealed Season 2 went for $14.95. Crash Bandicoot Warp went for $18.95. The Harry Potter Blu-ray set went for $28.95. True Lies Sealed DVD went for $17.95. And then the biggest one that I had of the week was the TI-84 Plus, went for $54.95. I think that one went after like maybe 12 hours of listing it. And then the Need for Speed Most Wanted, I believe that was from week 1, went for $29.95. So just to give you guys kind of a breakdown of how it all sold, anything that is here in the peach is what sold for the week. And then total for this week, I sold $219.65. And that brought me a total profit after fees of $135.82. And the money that I could reinvest because I recouped any of the costs as well on there was $162.27. So after 2 weeks currently of selling, I've sold $301.35 off of my initial $100 investment pool that I had that I've been allowed to reinvest as well. And so my total item profit has been $178.42, and the money to go back and spend after all that was $220.87. This week, with all the money that I made, I had $162.27 to reinvest back into it, which gave me cash available on hand of $196.11. Now this week I spent $71.73, and I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. On there I got some awesome stuff as well, and after spending all that, I have $124.38 still left in hand before even selling anything that I have in my store or I just bought. I have that in hand in case I want to find like maybe a bigger purchase, like maybe I could find a local Facebook Marketplace flip or something like that, that I could go and like quadruple or quintuple my money on if I could find maybe a video game lot or something like that out there. So let me show you guys what I got at the thrift store this week. All right, the first 2 items I have here are Sony. Both of them are Sony, and they're the voice recorders. I got one for $249, other for $349. I think this one goes about $50 if it works. This will go for about $35, I believe, if it works. So those are nice, quick and easy pickups. If you follow my Instagram, this is a crazy. Let me see if I can get that light. There you go. Get to sharpen on there. This is a crazy Walkman BOLO. This one I bought for $449. Even if it doesn't work, it goes for like $30 to $35 broken just for parts. If it works, it goes for $120. Another item which I'm going to actually be testing out today. Hopefully it works. If not, I still have time to return and get that money back into my pool. Is an AverMedia capture card. Now, if you're familiar with like Elgato's, right? This is like a competitor to that. I should have all the cords that will work with that one. That one was $9.49. I can't remember if I had any discount on that one. But that one, if it works, I can sell it without cords for $80. So that's an awesome quick turnaround there. I got this Peacemaker DVD set for $3.29. For $4 total, I got Gold Fever. These are both the same parts of the same season. I think these should go for probably about $40 or more. I found these Time Life Robin Williams sets. These are the 4-disc sets. Actually, is it 4 or 6? 6 actually in each of them, so it's 12 discs all together. I think I'll put this up for like 50 or 60 bucks. It seems like it goes pretty well. One to be careful on Vero. Just make sure you're finding authentic ones. I sell these really quick and all the time. Beachbody Insanity. All the Pretty Horses and Geronimo double feature for $2. That should go for I think about 20 or so. Friday the 13th movie collection. It even comes with the 3D glasses in there. That is complete. That was for $2 as well. I think I should get like 25 or so on there. Enchanted April. This is $1.29. I should get, I don't know, I can't remember what it was, like 15 to 20. This is one I took a chance on. Sozo Basic. I don't know, some like kind of like religious type of DVD set. I paid $3.29, but the ones that are listed are like $80 or something. It's like a crazy amount. So I'm like, anytime I see something like that, I just go and take a chance on it. Even if like maybe one have sold in the past, I just take a chance on it. You know, it's a big return investment if it works. Emperor Battle for Dune. That was 99 cents. I think that's like a $25 game, maybe $30. Dune 2000. I think that's about $15 to $20 game. That's another 99 cents. Found this. I think it's Gantz. Let me know if you guys know. I think that's what it is. Yep, Gantz. It's anime. It's their complete collection. That was for $3.29 as well. That will go pretty quick on there, and I think that was like a $25 or $30 set right there. This one I found for $3.29. There you go, $3.29 on there. Reformers and Revolutionaries. This should go. This goes for like 50 to 60 bucks. So that was a nice little find that I had there. Just Dance Disney Party for $129. Actually, I think I got a discount on this one. I think so. I think that's like $103. I think the Disney ones are about $15 games. Smash Brothers Brawl, that was for $103. That will go for about $21 to $22. Mario Kart for $103. That will go for probably $25. Actually, now I think I just sold a disc only for $24 yesterday, so that should go for about $30. The Bible Sealed for $129. It's the Epic Mini Series. That should go for, I believe, $20. I found this one. This is really cool. Forza Motorsport 4 limited collector's edition. Now the case is beat up, and I gotta just like clean down the metal case, but the paper one is a little beat up. It's got this nice book in there and everything. I got that for $4.29. I can't remember if I got a discount on there at all. But that one should go for like $35 to $40, depending on how I price it based on condition. Dynasty Seasons 1 through 4 DVD set. Now, I didn't see any comps of people selling these. I know this one's legit. This is not like a Chinese knockoff one. But this is for $4.29. I'm going to price it for like $25 to $30 and just see how it goes. I think I get that. Mortal Kombat Complete Edition. I got to clean up the case on there. This is $4.29 before discount. I think I got a discount on that one. Yeah, I think that was with the discount, so that's like $3.65. But that will go for, I think, about $15 or so. And then Summer Sports Paradise Island for the Wii. I think that was on discount, so it was like $2.65 or $67. But that should go for about $13, $15 range, I think. So let me give you guys a quick recap of where we're at. So I started with $100. I've sold like $300 worth of product already. I have almost $600 of inventory still on hand, and I just purchased $71 at cost of new product, which is probably going to be, like, if all this stuff is working of the electronics, that's probably another $500 worth of product that I'm putting back into my store. So overall, a really great week, really good start to this challenge, and I'm really just doing this to show you guys how you could take just a little bit of money and turn it into a lot and really start your business or start a new category for yourself. So if you like this video, if you want me to do more stuff like this, if you want to keep seeing updates like this as well, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also leave a thumbs up as well. That really helps me out. And let me know how you're liking the series below in the comments. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.